Out in the wild, survival often comes down to preparation. Having the right gear can be the difference between making it back and, well, not making it back. Now, you don't need to spend a fortune to be ready for the unexpected. In this video, we're going to cover 7 essential preps for anyone just starting out, and the best part is, you can get them all for under $400. We'll go through each item, explain why it's important, and how to use it effectively. So let's get to it. Water. It's the essence of life, the most fundamental element that sustains us. Without it, survival becomes a daunting challenge. It's the most essential element for survival. Whether you're hiking through dense forests, camping in the mountains, or simply exploring the great outdoors, having access to clean, drinkable water is crucial. Out in the wild, finding clean, drinkable water is always my top priority. The search for a reliable water source can be time-consuming and sometimes even dangerous. Streams, rivers, and lakes might look pristine, but they can harbor harmful bacteria and protozoa. That's why a good water filter is worth its weight in gold, and for new preppers, the Sawyer Mini Filter is the way to go. This compact device is a game-changer for anyone who spends time outdoors. It's lightweight, easy to use, and incredibly effective. This little guy is tough, compact, and can filter out 99.99999% of bacteria and protozoa. That means you can trust it to provide safe drinking water, no matter where you are. It's designed to handle the toughest conditions and deliver clean water every time. Imagine scooping water directly from a river or stream, even a puddle in a pinch, and drinking it with confidence. The Sawyer Mini Filter makes this possible. It's versatile and can be used in various ways, whether you're filling up a water bottle, attaching it to a hydration pack, or using it as a straw. That's the peace of mind the Sawyer Mini gives you. Knowing that you have a reliable source of clean water can make all the difference in an emergency or survival situation. It allows you to focus on other important tasks, like setting up camp or finding food. Now you might be thinking about other options like the Life Straw, and while those work, the Sawyer Mini allows you to filter larger quantities of water and even use it with a hydration pack. This flexibility makes it a superior choice for both solo adventurers and families. Trust me, when the unexpected happens, you'll be glad you have this in your kit. Whether you're preparing for a natural disaster, planning a long hike, or just want to be ready for any situation, the Sawyer Mini Filter is an essential tool. It's small, but mighty, and it could very well be the difference between life and death in a survival scenario. So don't wait until it's too late. Equip yourself with the Sawyer Mini Filter and ensure that you and your loved ones always have access to clean, safe drinking water. Having a reliable water filter is crucial, but you can't always rely on finding a water source when you need it. That's where water storage comes in. Think of it like this. You've got your trusty canteen on your hip, but for longer emergencies, you need a base camp, a reservoir. Water storage containers are that reservoir. You can find them in all shapes and sizes, from collapsible jugs to larger, rigid containers. The key is to choose BPA-free containers and rotate your stored water every 6 months to ensure freshness. Remember, having enough water on hand can make all the difference in an emergency. Shelter, water, fire. These 3 elements are the foundation of survival in the wilderness. Without them, your chances of making it through a tough situation diminish significantly. These are the pillars of survival. Each one plays a crucial role in ensuring you can withstand the challenges nature throws at you. A good fire provides warmth, a way to cook food, and even a sense of security. The crackling flames can be a comforting presence, warding off the cold and the darkness. But starting a fire in the wild isn't always easy, especially in wet conditions. Damp wood and rain can make it nearly impossible to get a fire going, leaving you cold and hungry. That's why I always recommend a reliable stove, and for new preppers, a dual fuel stove is the most versatile option. It can be a game changer in survival situations, providing a dependable source of heat and a way to cook food. These stoves typically run on both propane and butane, giving you flexibility depending on your situation. Whether you're dealing with cold weather or need high heat for cooking, a dual fuel stove has you covered. Propane is great for high heat cooking. It's readily available and can quickly bring water to a boil or cook a meal efficiently, while butane is more efficient in colder temperatures. It performs better when the mercury drops, ensuring you can still cook a hot meal even in freezing conditions. Remember, safety is paramount when dealing with any type of flame. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and take necessary precautions to avoid accidents. Always use your stove in a well-ventilated area. This helps prevent the buildup of harmful gases and reduces the risk of carbon monoxide poisoning, and have a carbon monoxide detector and fire extinguisher on hand. These safety tools can be lifesavers, providing an extra layer of protection while you cook. With a dual fuel stove, you can enjoy the benefits of a warm meal and the comfort of a reliable heat source, no matter where you are. It's an essential piece of gear for anyone serious about survival and preparedness. So, pack your dual fuel stove, head into the wilderness, and face your adventures with confidence. Knowing you have a dependable way to cook and stay warm can make all the difference in a survival situation. Embrace the beauty of nature, but always be prepared for its challenges. With the right gear and knowledge, you can turn any survival scenario into a manageable and even enjoyable experience. Harnessing the sun's solar power. In a survival situation, maintaining a source of power can be crucial. Whether it's for charging a communication device, a headlamp, or even a GPS unit, having a way to harness the sun's energy is invaluable. Solar systems have come a long way, and there are now compact, portable options perfect for preppers. You can find small solar panels that are lightweight and easy to pack, or you can opt for solar charging stations that combine panels with a battery pack for storing energy. These systems can be a lifeline in an emergency, allowing you to stay connected and informed. Staying connected communication devices. In this chapter, we will explore the various tools and devices that can help you stay connected during emergencies. Whether it's a natural disaster, a power outage, or any other crisis, having the right communication devices can be a lifesaver. In a crisis, communication can be key. It's not just about knowing what's happening around you, but also about being able to reach out for help, share vital information, and stay in touch with loved ones. Effective communication can provide reassurance and coordination, which are essential in managing any emergency situation. Knowing what's happening around you, being able to call for help, or even just staying connected with loved ones can make all the difference. Imagine being in a situation where you have no idea what's going on, or worse, you can't contact anyone for help. This is why having reliable communication devices is so important. Now, you might not always have cell service, which is why it's crucial to have alternative communication devices. In many emergency scenarios, cell towers can be down, or the network can be overloaded. This is where alternative communication methods come into play. They ensure that you can still receive critical information and stay in touch with others. A crank radio is a must-have. These radios are designed to work without batteries, making them incredibly reliable. You simply crank the handle to generate power, ensuring that you can always receive broadcasts no matter the situation. They are compact, easy to use, and can be a real lifesaver when other power sources are unavailable. These radios allow you to receive emergency broadcasts and weather alerts, even without batteries. This means you can stay informed about any changes in the situation, such as incoming storms, evacuation orders, or other critical updates. Staying informed can help you make better decisions and stay safe. Another great option is a Beofang radio, which not only receives AM/FM and shortwave broadcasts, but can also be used to charge other devices. This versatility makes it an excellent addition to your emergency kit. With a Beofang radio, you can stay connected and keep your other essential devices powered up, ensuring you have multiple ways to communicate and access information. Remember, knowledge is power, and staying informed can be vital in a survival situation. Having the right communication devices ensures that you are never in the dark, literally and figuratively. Equip yourself with these tools, and you'll be better prepared to handle any emergency that comes your way. Stay connected, stay informed, and stay safe. Fighting the dark lighting solutions. Darkness can be a formidable enemy, especially in an emergency. A good light source isn't just about visibility, it's about safety, security, and peace of mind. When it comes to prepping, you want reliable lighting options that don't rely solely on batteries. Crank flashlights are a fantastic choice. They provide a steady beam of light without the need for batteries, ensuring you're never left in the dark. Solar-powered lanterns are another great option, providing ambient light for your camp or shelter. A well-lit area is a safe area, and having multiple lighting solutions is always a good idea. Patching yourself up. The medical kit. Out in the wild, injuries can happen. A sprained ankle, a cut, even something as simple as a blister can quickly escalate if not treated properly. That's why a well-stocked medical kit is non-negotiable. Now, you don't need a doctor's bag, but having the basics is crucial. Your kit should include bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, gauze, and any personal medications you require. It's also a good idea to have a basic first aid guide on hand. Your medical kit is an investment in your well-being, and it's something you should continuously add to and personalize based on your needs and skills. So there you have it, 7 essential preps for new preppers that won't break the bank. Remember, preparation is key, and having these items on hand can make all the difference when the unexpected happens. What are some of your essential preps? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay prepared, stay safe.